do they like me? Is there something wrong with how I look? Is it the way I talk? Like everyone else, you may fall into a cycle of worry when it comes to figuring out whether someone likes you. But attraction involves a complex interplay of psychology, biology, and social dynamics. It's an ancient process that can be tied back to our need to survive. After all, social bonds are among one of the things that help create thriving communities. So whether your social bonds are romantic or platonic, attraction is important. However, while there is no magic formula to make anyone attracted to you, understanding and employing certain tactics can significantly enhance your appeal. Let's take a look at some effective and scientifically backed strategies to help you foster genuine attraction. Cultivate real confidence. This doesn't mean wearing the most lavish clothes or being the loudest in the room. Instead, confidence is about being comfortable with who you are. It is a universally attractive quality, not only because it signals to others that you like and accept yourself, flaws and all, but it also shows that you have qualities that others admire. Research even shows that confidence is associated with higher levels of attraction because it suggests competence and stability. So, how do you boost your confidence? Okay, so first, one thing we need to accept is that people will always judge, no matter what you do, whether you're outgoing or reserved, prefer to fit in or stand out, value tradition or innovation. There will always be someone who forms an opinion, so you might as well let them judge the real you. Once you've accepted the fact that you can't control other people's opinions of you, you can start by practicing positive self-affirmation. For instance, you can keep a journal to regularly remind yourself of your strengths and achievements. As you slowly change your mindset and the way you talk to yourself, your core beliefs start to shift. This can manifest in your body language as well. For example, you might notice that you start to stand tall and use open and welcoming gestures unconsciously. This subtle change can make you more attractive and approachable to others. When you feel more comfortable in your own body and know who you are, challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone. Push yourself with new experiences to build resilience and self-assuredness. You may even meet new people along the way. Embody authenticity. Would you like to spend time with someone who acts one way with you and then an entirely different way with others? Authenticity is about being true to who you are and what you believe in, regardless of situation or outside pressure. People feel safe and comfortable around those who are genuine. And don't underestimate this quality, as most people can often sense when someone is being insincere or fake. To be authentic, know why you're being inauthentic. To change, it's important to understand the reason behind your behavior. Sometimes being inauthentic stems from trauma responses like people-pleasing or fawning, where we prioritize others' approval over our true selves. Recognizing these patterns helps us address the root cause and move towards authenticity. Know and keep your values. Understand what's important to you and live by those principles. Share your passions. Talk about the things you love with enthusiasm. Be honest. Don't be afraid to share your true thoughts and feelings. But of course, be mindful of how you express these thoughts and feelings and how it could affect others as well. The right people will stick around. The key is to find the right balance. According to research, authenticity is linked to higher levels of trust and attraction in relationships. Master the art of storytelling. When you share a story, especially one that's funny, touching, or a bit adventurous, it really draws people in and makes you seem more interesting, memorable, and relatable. Stories humanize us. They give others a glimpse into our personalities, our lives, our experiences, and what makes us who we are. Plus, everyone loves a good story. It's a natural way to connect and keep the conversation flowing. Just be yourself and share something genuine, and you'll definitely leave a lasting impression. Practice sharing anecdotes that highlight your experiences, values, and sense of humor if applicable. Good storytelling includes engaging openings. Begin with something intriguing to grab listeners' attention. Let's say you found out you and your crush both like cats. You could start by asking, ever wondered how I adopted my pet Whiskers? To pique their curiosity. Descriptive details. Paint a vivid picture to bring your story to life. Describe the specific events or details that made a significant impact or changed your perspective on something. For example, where'd you find Whiskers? What happened? How did you feel during that moment? What made you decide to adopt Whiskers? Relatable messages. Tie your story to universal themes or emotions. Share what you learned from the experience and why it matters. Reflect on what adopting Whiskers has taught you or changed your life. Why do you think this experience has meant so much to you? Storytelling is a powerful tool for building social bonds and making yourself more appealing. Be charismatic. Being charismatic is all about making people feel a special connection with you. Truly charismatic people have a great talent for making everyone they talk to feel like they're the only one in the room, giving them that it's all about you feeling. This connection feels intense and unique to each person. So how do you do it? Charisma involves a blend of confidence, eloquence, and warmth. To develop charisma, be present. Fully engage in the moment with whoever you're with. Be interested in what they're saying, their interests, dreams, and goals. Make them feel heard and seen by asking questions about the things they care about. Use humor appropriately. Light, positive humor can create a bond and make interactions enjoyable. Show warmth. Be approachable and express genuine emotion in your interactions. For example, greet people with a warm smile and say, "It's so great to see you," while really meaning it, to make them feel welcome and valued. These small changes can make a big difference in how others perceive you. A study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that charismatic people are perceived as more attractive because they make others feel important and valued. Develop active listening skills. Imagine talking to someone who's constantly glancing at their phone or who just mindlessly nods to whatever you're saying. It'd feel quite frustrating, right? People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel heard and valued. It indicates care and, most importantly, safety. Research found that active listening techniques significantly improve interpersonal relationships and increase attraction. Active listening involves maintaining eye contact to show you're engaged and interested, nodding and verbal affirmations, saying simple words like, "I see," or "interesting," to encourage them to continue. Ask open-ended questions. This gives the other person a chance to elaborate and share more. Reflecting and paraphrasing. Repeat back what you've heard in your own words to show that you're actually paying attention to them. Practice kindness and positivity. Let me help you with your bag. You look amazing today. Don't stress, things will work out. A positive attitude is contagious and makes you much more enjoyable to be around. Simple acts of kindness, such as offering a compliment or helping someone with a task, can go a long way. Positivity and kindness create an environment where attraction can naturally flourish. Research even supports that kindness is a highly desirable trait in romantic partners. Take care of your appearance. While looks are not everything, maintaining good hygiene and dressing well can significantly boost your attractiveness. Having a clean and groomed appearance signals proactivity, organization, and independence. In short, it shows that you are a responsible person who knows how to take care of yourself. Grooming and personal care also shows that you respect yourself, which in turn earns respect from others. Be mindful and present. Where are your thoughts most of the time? Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment. This means giving your full attention to the person you're with, rather than getting distracted by your phone or other thoughts. Mindfulness can enhance your interactions by making the other person feel valued and respected. Studies have shown that mindfulness can improve relationship satisfaction and increase personal attractiveness. So why not give it a try? One great way to be more mindful is to try meditation. It helps by focusing your mind on the present moment, using techniques like deep breathing or guided imagery. If being mindful is particularly challenging for you, start with short meditation sessions and gradually increase their lengths as you get more comfortable. You can also try incorporating activities like walking or yoga, which blend movement with mindfulness. It's a simple practice that can reduce stress, improve concentration, and boost your overall well-being. So, did you find any of these tips helpful? Are there any other suggestions you'd recommend that we might have missed? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Attraction is a multifaceted phenomenon influenced by a blend of physical, emotional, and psychological factors. By cultivating confidence, practicing active listening, showing genuine interest, and embodying authenticity, you can enhance your natural appeal. Remember, the goal is not to manipulate others, but to create genuine connections built on respect and mutual appreciation. Whether you're seeking romantic, platonic, or professional relationships, these tactics can help you foster deeper, more meaningful bonds. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Psych2Go for more content. Thanks so much for watching.